Hey, what's up, good people? What's up, good people? Good morning. Good morning. There's my camera right there. I moved my cameras around, so I got a little lost. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, how you doing? You guys doing well? It's great. It's great. It's great. You guys can hear me good? All right. Just moving some things around. Good morning, good people. Want to make sure. There we go. There we go, good people. Hey, we got a lot going on today. I believe it's 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. The Fed could be releasing. I'm sorry. The Fed will be releasing the Fed minutes, and so we see that in the pre-markets. Let's take a look. Pre-markets are green, not by much, 46 points on the Dow in the pre-markets. But what could happen depending on what the Fed says, that's what the Fed says. Remember that stupid song, What the Fox Says, or whatever that was. So depending on what the Fed says, it will determine the outcome of the market today, depending on what the Fed minutes say. Remember, the Fed minutes will be released today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. That's 1 p.m. Midwest Chicago time. And that's 11 a.m. California time, if I'm doing my math correctly. Okay. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. So be careful with your plays. All right. So don't look. I can't tell you what to do. Me, myself, I'm not loading up on anything, including the plays I shared with you guys yesterday. I want to make sure you get things at the right price point. And I'm going to try to do the same thing. I am going to go with the plays that I said on yesterday's video, but I want to make sure I get them at the right price point. What I'm not going to do is buy a lot. So options. So I was going to do a call. Just look at the video yesterday. I'm still going to do those calls, but I'm going to wait and see what the price action is. And by midday, then I'm going to see what the stock market is saying, what the Fed minutes are going to say. Then I'm going to begin to enter into my positions. All right. Let me drink some coffee, good people. Feel better already. So we got opening bell coming. Oh, in a minute. Let's go to it, good people. Let's go to the bell.
And it was down sharply.
And
so
NFTs making a comeback, Dave. Do you know that NFTs were making a comeback?
I didn't, no.
Well, then shame on you, partner. I mean, this was one of those conference calls where I just said, oh, I see. There's a new sheriff in town. It's not Gary Gensler. It's Coinbase. I mean, John Stark used to be a big regulator. Has a nice little mention today in Twitter. The SEC crypto regulatory carpet bombing continues. Next up, stable coins. So that's the exact opposite of what Coinbase wants. David, I don't know. You can take Coinbase, you can take the SEC. I always say that in the end, the SEC wins.
Let's get the opening bell here in the CNBC Real-Time Exchange. And the big board, healthcare-focused Strawberry Fields REIT celebrating its uplisting over the NASDAQ. It's our parent, Comcast, the cast of Peacock's Bel Air, the reboot of Fresh Prince, ringing the bell ahead of season 2. One more reason to watch Peacock, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
Although I know.
So we can come back to that. So, man, y'all swinging already. Look at this. Look at what he said. Okay, see you in the funeral wardrobe. Hopefully the stock market says different. Man, y'all got jokes early in the morning. That's right. The best part of waking up is Maxwell in your cup. All right. Hey, how you guys doing? So, hey, how you doing? Callie in the house. Let me get my coffee too, okay? Yes, we're going to be doing something with coffee, all right? I'm going to be releasing some business ventures here. I'm going to be doing something with coffee, all right? Hopefully in the near future. So that's what I wanted to talk about. And that's why I wanted to come on this morning, all right? Yeah, GoRo, it's not my GoRo, okay? Here we go. It's not my GoRo. Remember, I said penny, small cap stock, small money, right? Now, GoRo has suspended their dividends. That's why all gold is not performing well right now, because we're having this bear market bounce. Okay, let's go over this again. If we go into a deeper recession, then gold will be stronger, though gold has not performed well in the last 2 years. And remember, I said, if you get some, get a little bit and be prepared to hold it a long time. So hopefully you listened and didn't load up. Just like gas right now. Everybody was getting into oil really big, and oil topped out at a $1.30 a barrel. And now oil has been down, the not what you pay at the pump, but as far as what you invest in. See here, they're looking at natural gas right now, okay? So energy has not performed that well. Banks were just flatlined for a while, even in higher interest rates. So things are not moving, all right? Cold brew, nope. So, hey, listen, good people. Hopefully it's not the $5. No, I'm not drinking the $5 cup of coffee. All right. I'm not drinking that. We invest in that. And just for those of you that don't know, I do have something called a $5 cup of coffee. You can just put in hashtag $1 million cup of coffee. That never stops. We DCA, that never, ever stops. Because this is going to be a long day, I'm going to keep this morning short. But tonight, I will be on live with the fam. Stocks with Josh is in. Keenan Grace is in. Stock Mo is in. We will be talking about after the Fed minutes, right? So it'll be after the Fed minutes. That will be tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, all right? So that's 7 p.m. New York time. That's 6 p.m. Chicago time. All right, you guys do the math. All right, 4 p.m. if you're out in LA with the palm trees. Okay, I have another, thank you. I have another surprise for you guys that I'm going to be releasing tonight. I have a special announcement tonight. But since we family, so I'm going to whisper, since we family, I'm going to tell you that it's going to be the top link below in the description. It's the top link below in the description. You know how I always say, check out the top 2 links in the description? Well, there's a brand new link that's at the top link of the description in this video, because we family, you guys get in early and you guys get a discount early. All right. That's all I'm going to say. But I will be making the announcement tonight. Okay, so please join us tonight for that. All right. So what do we got here? Yep. What do we got? Y'all got coffee jokes this morning. All right. So, hey, I want to say this about the market. Okay. This is what I want to say about the market. And I said it on yesterday's video, and I need to say it again. Here's what I think is going to happen to the market. Just like the market doesn't go straight up, this market won't go straight down. So what I want you guys to do in this environment, in this trading environment, until further notice, is I want you to zoom out weekly and monthly. I want you to do that every day. So the reason why I want you guys to do that is because, so yesterday, almost 700 points down, right? 600 points down. And what'll happen is we could have a day, the next day, the Dow can go up 300, 400, even 450 or, 500 points, right? But the day before it went down 600 points, right? And then the next day it goes down another 700 points. And then the following day it goes up 500 points. when you zoom out, what you're going to be seeing is a stair step down. And people don't really realize that the market is trending down, down, down. Okay. So you know how we had that bear market bounce and the market just kept going up, up, up. It seems to be that we're in a direction of a reversal of that. And what will happen is when the market goes up, people think we're in a strong bear market, when if you zoom out, you will see that we are trending down. Now, what could change that? The Fed minutes. If the Fed says, the Fed don't have to say we're going up 50 basis points for the market to turn red today. The Fed can simply say we're only going 25 basis points, but we're going to do it for the next 4 meetings. That is hawkish. Remember, last meeting, the Fed was sounding very dovish, and now he could turn. I can tell you, he goes through these bipolar moments where he's dovish in one meeting and he's hawkish in another, and the market reacts to that. So be very careful in your trading today. If you really don't know what's going on, the best thing you can do right now is to pump your brakes and just chill and wait. Remember that old song, Just Chill? That's what we need to do today. Okay, so I'm not going to be on here long. I'm through with my crypto been bottom. I think you meant bottoming. So, hey, thank you, Lisa. Thank you. Love you, sis. Love you, fam. Yeah, crypto has been showing a strong support. Now, for those of you that have your own, remember, everybody has their own strategies with crypto. Me, I'm waiting it to find a bottom. Seems like the worst of the bad news has happened, though I believe, again, I'm going to keep saying this. I believe that Binance is dirty. I believe that CZ is dirty. And I believe that will come out in the wash. It may be severe, it may be minor market reaction, but that's my biggest concern. Not even regulation. That's my biggest concern is Binance. I'm gonna just tell you right now, CZ is allegedly this dude on YouTube called Stock Up with Larry Jones. Don't think he's legit. All right, let's keep it going. One more. Yeah, you DCN, right? This is the accumulation stage. And so what should you be doing? Accumulating. That's it. That's it. Don't chase, right? Hey, I appreciate you, Charity. I like that name, Charity. Yep. Love, hope, and charity. Yeah, cuz is hiding something. He is. Yep. Hey, all right, Tavis at work. All right. Let's clock those dollars, man. And listen, I'm going to say this. Expectations on Baba tomorrow. I think Baba could be good. Where is that? Lost it. Somebody was asking about Alibaba. What do I expect on it? Like Baidu is going good, right? Yep. Uncle Larry EOG striking the money looks good. Yep, that's what I'm. Yeah, for those of you that saw yesterday, we were looking at ticker symbol EOG Energy. I believe because of the rhetoric that's going on right now. The president, as you guys know, he was in Poland, and then he visited President Zelensky over the weekend. Putin didn't like that, so everything is kind of ramping up. I believe that energy will actually turn around and go back up, but I got those calls out far. All right, I got them out far. Here we go. Expectations on Baba. Well, Baidu was up this morning. Baba sound like a baby. Baba or a sheep. I'm not playing it, but I think Baidu is decent. But just know, for me personally, in the Chinese ADRs, I just go in, pop if it gets a pop, which I have 100% with those. See here, look at Baidu. You guys see that? Baidu is up 3%. It's a Chinese ADR, right? And they kind of move in lockstep a lot of times. One go up, they all go up. One go down, they all go down. So what I do is simply option plays. I get in, I get out, make my money. And, you guys know I'm not going to play for it. Start the car. And I'm running, right? I'm out. Deuces. Don't be greedy. Yep. Yeah, Tesla's Investor Day soon. And that's coming. I'm going to wait until after the Fed come out with his minutes today, see what the market does. If it tanks Tesla, if it takes Tesla down, and if the market really tanks, I still may do a call option on some Tesla. Get in, and I will be selling it before Investors Day. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay? All right. Yes, God is good. May he bless each and every one of us. Mike Martin. Yep. Hey, I appreciate you. Shedrick, I appreciate you. Or is it Cedric? I said Shedrick. Is it Cedric or is it Shedrick? Let me know. All right. Hey, UK. Yep. DCA all day. DCA all day. Here, let me end by saying this, good people. People that DCA, it's a fact. People that DCA, whether the market is up or down, and they keep doing that for a minimum of 5 to 10 years. I would say 10 years. And they just keep DCAing. Crash, correction, doesn't matter. If you do it for 10 years, and you compare that to a person that's just putting money in the bank or not doing it at all, even on the red days, the red months, the red years, the person that DCAs long periods of time make more money and have more money. It's a fact. Look it up. So it's just the easy way, good people. Just do it. Hey, good morning, Milton. Hey, I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Thoughts on Mullen? Man, I talked about Mullen so much. I just can't, it's not my stock. It's just not my stock. That's the type of stock I short when everybody else is running up. I short it. Boom. You guys know how I do that. Same thing with Carvana. When if it pops up, if it's a potential squeeze and everybody start piling in, I just go out a few days, do a put, boom, works every time for me. Make my money. I'm gone. All right. Hey, this is a good point, I think. Okay, DD, yeah. DCA your tax return into the market for sure. Just make sure that you keep $3K cash for nails and tires and lift problems. You know what? That's a great deal. I always keep saying that this is my last thing. All right, but here's what I did, good people. My entire home, I literally told my wife this years ago, we're going to complete our entire home 1 year at a time. And this is what I did, tax returns. So instead of just carrying 0 as a dependent, I would carry 1. My kids are grown and gone, right? So I would carry 1, meaning they would take out more taxes, right? Because you can carry yourself, meaning they would take out more taxes. Why? I was trying to save money. And I was trying to protect my money from who? From me. And so what we did was every tax return, I said, hey, we get to do a room of the house. Now, sometimes the tax return was really good and a room just needed painting, right? Or whatever. Then I said, we use the rest of the money for, you can go get new furniture. I can tell you within 4 years, I had my house what I wanted it because it just worked. Now, if I was smarter, that was many years ago. If I was smarter, I would have been investing that money. If I was smarter then, I would simply just invest that money. So think about doing that and investing your tax return. You don't need it because if you didn't have it, life would go on. If you didn't have it coming, life would go on. But it's funny how we have fresh money coming in and all of a sudden we need that. I need that. No, you don't. Send that money to work for you and invest it. For those of you that are tight for money, that's another way. You can do this, all right? It just takes temperament, good people. So I'm going to leave by saying this. Listen, hey, good morning. Good morning. You didn't miss much. You can just rewind, okay? Okay, so this is what I want to tell you guys. The top link in the description below is a new link. It's something that I'm going to release tonight, but because you guys are family, I want you guys to know about it first. This morning, this live morning group, okay? Listen, I want to welcome everybody that's new, which there are many. Welcome to the Stock Up family. Listen, we just do what we do. We don't care about your age, your race, none of that, your sex, none of that. We don't care about none of that. All we care about on this family is making money and building generational wealth. So I may do an afternoon video, but at the end of this video, I'm going to leave a link for tonight's live with Keenan Grace, Stock Mo, Stocks with Josh, and myself. That's when I'm going to make the official announcement about the top link below in the description. Okay? All right, good people. We'll see you later. Remember, 2 o'clock, Fed minutes will be released. All right? We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, learn, and earn.